Alright, so a quick feature update on AlterAI, which is a suite of tools for creatives, entrepreneurs, and for personal use. So right now it actually supports, there are actually 4 features. We have a top 5 generator, and this actually generates unique, and I have to keep saying this, the output that it generates is unique, and it's actually, that's why it says intelligent, because this is AI generated and it's not like, it doesn't come from a list of predetermined or predefined choices. So we generate top 5. This can also be used for personal use, like top 5 ways to make more money, or you could actually use it professionally, like for blogging and for even for writing books. Another feature is explaining this quote. Another one is the how-to, and the one that I want to focus on today is business idea plus plan, because the other 3 features have been explained in a previous video. Now, I'm going to keep on adding and keep on working on this framework. I'd like to call it a framework because there are many tools that I want to add, and since I have access to a very powerful artificial intelligence engine that has been trained on hundreds of billions of pieces of text, it's amazing, and it needs to be put to use for other people as well. So this feature, business idea plus plan, I've been working extensively at it for the past I don't know how much time, and I'm still tweaking it and making it even more efficient. So I'd like some feedback. So go ahead, after you finish watching this video, go ahead and test it out, try it out, and let me know via the feedback, which is available on the front page on the website. Now, business idea plus plan. The idea here is that you give it 1 to 5 words describing your topic, and it comes up with a short implementation. Now, it might be, it might not work every time, but I'm trying to improve it to make it work any other time, because since this is AI generated, I don't even know what's gonna come up with. So we'll actually see. It currently, this feature currently takes 2 credits from your account, while the other 3 currently take 1 credit. So this might change in the future. Right now I have 100 credits. So business idea plus plan, let's actually say here, so I'm actually recording from my tablet. Let's say, let's say business idea plus plan for mobile app for gamers. Mobile app for gamers. Business idea plus plan. So in theory, it should give us a business idea and a plan for mobile application for gamers. Let's see. Seems okay. So the idea is to create a mobile app for gamers which will allow them to play games with other players on their smartphones. Nothing new here. The app will connect with the user's Facebook account. This is also nothing new, so they can find friends who have also downloaded the app and challenge them to a game. Okay. It would be possible for users to select games that they are interested in and add them to their favorite list. This would make it easy to find new games without having to search through the entire catalog and risk being bored by all the options. For those who are not interested in finding new games, there could also be a random button that would take players. Now, this is interesting. out of the game catalogs and into an interface where they could start playing a random game. So this is pretty freaking unique. This is interesting. This option would appeal mostly those people. So here the AI makes a little grammar mistake. This option would appeal mostly to those people who want something different every time they play. The user interface should be simple but still allow for advanced features such as chat or voice chat in-game. For example, Skype. Okay. All right, now if we actually give it the same input, so mobile app for gamers, do it one more time, it will very likely come up with a different output. And this is like a simpler output. So come up with a unique idea for a mobile app for gamers. Okay, this is not really helpful. Find out if there is an existing app with the same functionality. Build a prototype of your app and show it to potential users to get feedback. Find an investor or find someone who wants to buy the idea. So this is more like a prospecting for an idea. Create a company and hire people to work on the project. Get it ready to be launched. Okay, so this wasn't too helpful, but like I said, I mean, I cannot say or predict what the algorithm is going to come up with after being trained on that many pieces of data. But if I input it one more time, we'll probably we'll like 100% get a different result or nothing. Sometimes the algorithm doesn't output. It's up to it. But still, we have a very lengthy output here. So the app would aggregate game reviews from different sources and provide a platform for gamers to review games themselves. The app would also host a forum for gamers to chat with each other, as well as providing news about upcoming games and reviews. This probably already exists. Games could also post their own blog posts on the websites or social media sites like Facebook, Twitter to promote their favorite games, share tip with other gamers. The app would also have an online store where gamers could purchase discounted games, game accessories, and a variety of gaming merchandise. In addition to this, the app would have an in-app marketplace. So this is pretty complex, where users could buy discounted or full versions of mobile games that are not available on the market yet. These will be made available by developers who want early feedback on their products before they launch them in the store worldwide on platforms such as Google Play Store and App Store. So this is very specific. Probably much of this has already been implemented, but it's interesting. It's really interesting. Anyways, go ahead, go to the website, go to AlterAI.me, sign up right now. You have 10 credits to try this out. I'm not sure how many credits will be available for free accounts in the future, but right now there are 10 credits for new users to actually try it out and see how it works, and also give me feedback using the contact form here on the front page. Alrighty.